Hi guys, welcome back to Su's All-in-One channel. In today's video, I've come to a eat-out place in Bangalore. It's called Bengaluru Cafe. They serve authentic Karnataka style South Indian food like idli, dosa, vada, kharabat, shavgebat and everything. So the place is really fantastic. Now let's go inside. I'll show you what are the things available and also I'll give you the details about this place.
Bengaluru Cafe is in Jayanagar second block. It is a traditional Darshini type restaurant. It is right next to the BBMP office in Jayanagar second block, and the huge crowd outside this joint will help you identify the exact location. This cafe has a self-service system and has become famous for the traditional Karnataka food items such as idli, vada, masala dosa, shavgebat, kesari bat, khara bat and pongal. All these items have been priced reasonably. One person can have a heavy breakfast for less than 100 rupees. I would recommend a few items which you should not miss out when you visit this restaurant. The first in this list stands idli and vada with spicy chutney. Piping hot idlis would be available at any time of the day, and the softness of the king of the Indian breakfast will impress your taste buds. The best part is vadas are not made in advance. Instead, they make it in batches and serve them hot too. Second in the list is Benne Masala Dosa, which is served with the gatti chutney. The dosa is crisp and also soft at the same time. The generous amount of butter used will definitely make you forget your everyday calorie count. Other than butter masala dosa, they also make butter plain dosa, normal masala dosa and normal plain dosa as well. They also make very nice khara bath and kesari bath, and combination of both they serve it as chow chow bath, which is very nice and is available in the mornings. They make koli bhaji and shavge bath, which is available only in the evenings. This cafe is open from 7 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. in the morning and 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. in the evening. The another best part of this cafe is they serve all the items in the disposable plates, which is very good in terms of hygiene. The third item in the list would be filter coffee, which is a must after having idli, vada or masala dosa. Filter coffee is fantastic here and will just make your breakfast complete. They also have parcel services for which they provide the containers. They also serve hot gulab jamuns, which is just treat for the dessert lovers. If you would like to visit this cafe, please check out the description box for the address or location. If you have liked this video, please do subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and like and share the video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Have an amazing day.